Every style beholds a story. Every inspiration, a renewed perspective. When one opens their mind to new perspectives, new experiences unfold. Inspiration lies in every corner of the world. And now all those inspirations in one place. Presenting a collection for modern minds. Cresta Grazia, crafted by the best. Curated with sleek by Asian Paints. We are fueling the future of designs by inspiring designers today.
So for me, design is not what it looks like or feels like. Design is how it works.
Inspiration behind the design is always our client, and basically we try to bridge the gap between clients' needs and wants.
The style of architecture we follow, it's a fusion of old and new, which we love to play with. The contemporary, the old and the new goes everywhere.
Contemporary to us emerges as something that is based out of the evolving needs of a certain culture or a certain state or a certain area.
Giving the client an opportunity to make their space look really beautiful. Give them that experience which will make them feel like, yes, this is where I want to stay. That is where our entire collection has come from this time.
Sleek Design Catalog is very inspirational, especially for an architect and a client to understand the overall house in one theme or in one concept.
So this year, we have a larger range of shutters, finishes.
Your PU shutters, your glass frame shutter or your aluminum frame glass shutters.
The matte PU finish with the metal inlay, I think it will bring some great character to my design. There are some great laminates also, for customers who want to go in with something which is more, easier to clean.
I really liked the PU routed shutter. I really like the fluted glass collection, plain glass, back painted glass, matte glass collection.
In a marketplace where trends come in and go very quickly, it's helpful for the designers as well as the clients to have a larger range to select from.
I personally feel like when you're showing such a good panel, this is going to be very good understanding for how the material palette or how the color combination or how the CNC routing, very easy for architect and designers to do. We can still able to achieve the good quality and finishing at the desired timeline which we are committed to the customers.
The idea is to introduce something different, unique, which can actually inspire the next coming generation or maybe users, how they want to use it.
Our entire Cresta Grazia collection is all about focusing not just on our product, but the space and the experience that a product can give in that individual space.
From the get-go itself, we just went all guns down for the concept.
I think it is Asian Paints policy to always introduce something new, and that has helped us a lot.
I think we were on board for it.
So my overall experience with Sleek has been very, very pleasant, and the finishes have been great. So that is exactly what as a designer I look for, and I'm getting that.
Finest inspirations from around the world. Crafted for a newer perspective. Cresta Grazia. Elevating spaces, exuding elegance.